watching and hearing, interviews ng ex mo in some interviews. And I can't help but ask na if baka meron kang statement or reaction na gustong sabihin.
Ako talaga, entering 2024, so talaga, I just want a fresh start, a new beginning, and I don't want to dwell sa past. Parang yung post ko nung December, sabi ko, this will be the last time na pag-uusapan ko. Pero parang ang dami pa rin. Parang hindi naman siya mapag-uusapan if no one's lighting the fire. And I just want to say, give it a rest. And let's leave respect to each other. And it ended, the journey was beautiful. So, ayoko nang mag-smile.
Right.
And he's happy. Yun.
I know, I'm so sorry.
Kasi paulit